Not doing a warm-up or stretching before a workout is a bullshit. That sooner or later, you will pay the price of it. So when I'm starting on my workout journey, I always neglect to do a warm-up or stretching before doing a workout. Since akala ko kasama siya sa workout. And ang hassle, diba, parang dagdag pa nga siya sa gagawin mong workout. And yun yung nasa isip ko dati, since I'm a lazy guy. And then one day, narealize ko na lang nung may tumutulog na sa buto ko. And every time na pagkatapos ko mag-workout, sumasakit yung mga joints ko. And dun ko lang actually na-realize na kailangan pala talaga mag-warm up or mag-stretching before mag-workout. And you know bro, I get it. And I understand you. I used to be a madman, or let's say, egoistic guy who got swayed on a random shit on internet about toxic motivation. And yung mga example na na-adapt ko dati is yung sinabi mo ngayon na tips or call it advice. Real man don't do a warm-ups. Really? You know bro, that's not a flex or being a cool guy. That's an ego. And I used to have that kind of mindset. And here's the advice from a retarded egoistic guy. Wala kang mapapala dyan bro. If you carry that mindset, soon you will regret it. Or you will get destroyed by it. So yun lang. And sa mga baguhan dyan, never ever neglect doing a warm-up before going to workout or doing a workout. Ending with day 23 of Mang Mod Challenge. See you guys. Bye.